Okay, guys, it is time for a new mystery box. This is all new images, 3 new fonts, and each of the fonts have a writing font, as you can see here. So we have Robin Bob Mermaid and the writing font, Robin Bob Monkey Business, and the writing font, Robin Bob Winchester, and the writing font. There are also 3 image sets to use with this. Now, these are only available through this mystery box. This mystery box is only available for about 2 weeks. After that, these will not be available anywhere until they go into access in about 90 days. Yeah, so they will be in access after about 90 days. So if you do subscribe to Access and you want to wait, you will get them for free. If you don't have Access and you want these fonts and images, then buying the mystery box is the best way to get it. If you have Access, but you may want to keep these after your access expires, you can buy the mystery box and they will be yours forever. I just want to make sure you guys are clear on that they will be included in access, but not for about 90 days. So if you need them before that, and there are some holiday images and cards in here. So make sure you watch this video to see what else you get. So this is Robin Bob Celebrations. There's 33 images. Every card comes with an envelope and you have the inside. You could write inside the card too. This one's for a boy. It has little animals on it. These images are so awesome. There's Mr. and Mrs. Banner. Happy birthday banner. And a congrats banner for graduation. Now, let's look at some of these. This one, I was wondering, what's that for? It says, that's what you are. Happy birthday. But this will go on the inside of the card. And the one I was thinking of was this one that says, amazing. And then you open it up and it says, that's what you are. Happy birthday. And I love this OMG. Congratulations. I love that ring one. And thinking of you, we all love those. So we have cards here for a wedding, for a boy, for a girl. Happy birthday. Congrats. Just thinking of you. I think we may need to bring these in so we can look at each of these. This one we can see pretty well. Oh, that's on the envelope. It says grad. And then here it says congratulations. This is a female grad money envelope. How useful. This one we can kind of see what that is. This is a graduation announcement photo card. Okay, let's click that one and bring it in. Here is a male grad money card. All right, let's bring these into the canvas. Okay, now let's look at the cards in this set. This is only one set you get. So this says amazing. It has all these different layers. And remember, you can change the colors of any of these. Here's the grad one. They do use bigger pieces on this. So it's not just these small pieces. So you have just this top piece, and then you have the green piece and the yellow piece, and that's it. And of course, you can change the colors of these. You can make them the school colors. This is the photo. So what this does, let's ungroup it. Here is the inside of the card, and you put the photo in these little slits. And then you'll see part of the photo from the front of the card, and then this part will go on the other side of this grad. Very nice. I like that card. And then you have this card This can be, that OMG would be great on the inside of this one. And remember, you can change the color. You can change their hair color, their skin color, their eye color, anything you want. And here is another wedding card. It's beautiful. And just think of all these pieces, all these paper pieces. This card would be beautiful with these flowers and this beautiful wedding dress. And then we have this one. This can be a card for anything you want it to be. They had a sentiment for feel better. They had one for just thinking of you. It could even be a happy birthday one. You can make it for anything you want. And the little kitty with flowers. And the happy birthday. This is another one. You don't have to do all the little letters. They have the big pink piece and the big blue piece. And of course you can make these any colors you want. And the same with this happy birthday. They have them in big pieces. And then welcome little one. Lots of nice baby cards. This says baby, this says girl. Then over here we have, we have baby shower. And then we have like Noah's Ark with animals on it. You could also use these animals in different cards. And then we have this one that says boy. That is so cute how the animals are holding a card. Okay, now let's go check out the other image sets. Rob and Bob Holiday Collections 1, because there's a Holidays Collection 2. I only have eyes for you. You're the heart of our family. Oh, I love that heart. Oh, and look at the tattoo guy. That is fun. This is a rad dad tattoo card. Mermaid Club. Oh, look at this. We're going to bring these in too. Let's bring in all these cards. Happy Easter. This is the Best Mom Ever Award ribbon. Ruffled Be My Valentine heart card. Mermaid Club. Love you a bunch. Happy Mother's Day. Easter egg garden card. Mom. Summer vibes. Dad, you do it all and you do it well. Happy Father's Day. You're my style. Dad, you're red. Happy Father's Day. Loving Life Girl silhouette. Daisy Bunch card. Let's bring these in so we can see them. This is a mom photo card. So you can put a little picture in the little circle. That's awesome. Love this. Love heart card. Best Dad Ever Award ribbon. Let's bring these into the canvas. Okay, here are the cards. I don't know if I brought them all in, but here's a bunch of them. Best Mom Ever Award. Now remember, you could make this ribbon and it doesn't have to be on a card. You can make this and stick it on your mom for her to wear if you want. Just because it's on a card like this doesn't mean you have to use it on a card. And the daisies. The mom photo card. So it has the heart in there where you could put a photo in there or just the circle. And then this is fun. I just love this one. And remember, you can change the hair color. You can change the shirt color. You can change the color of anything you want. Now here's some Valentine ones. Oh, and they made it so easy. They have the big pieces here. So you're not just gluing on. It gives it more dimension. This is a really pretty one. And then we have this one. This is also very easy. And then we have the dad cards. Look at his tattoos. Okay, we have to zoom in on him. I think that is such a cool card. And I love that it cuts off the top of his head and the whole card is this. And then a barbecuing one with tools. And then the Best Dad ribbon. Again, you can just make him a ribbon. And then we have the Easter ones. This is the Easter egg garden. Happy Easter. And some little chicks in the eggs. And that is it for this image set. Let's find out what's in the last one. Rob and Bob Holiday Collection 2. Now keep watching because I'm going to show you how to find these images once you buy the mystery box. We have Thankful, Merry Christmas, some Halloween, a banner that says Give Thanks. Oh, that looks like a fun one. Let's bring these in so we can see them better. This one, Thankful. Snowman. Ooh, this is a New Year card. Frosty Forest card. Happy New Year card. So if you want these images by New Year's, you have to buy the mystery box. Let's bring these into the canvas. This is such a pretty card. You know what? I'm going to change the background color so we can see it better. We're going to make the background purple. Isn't that beautiful? I love this card. And then we have Santa with presents. And Snowman, Pirate Snowman. Love this one. Oh my gosh, she's got fishnet stockings on. That's funny. I love it. Where else are you going to find a card like this? Okay, and then we have the Halloween ones. Love this. And they're not all little paper cutouts. They're big pieces. Ooh, and this has drawing on it with the cutouts. How cool is that? And then over here we have some Happy New Year. Again, just with big pieces makes it so much easier to put the card together. And this is drawing with some cutouts. It does all the work for you. Oh, this is an insert card. So this one you can put the paper through there. I really like this card for New Year's. And I do want to show you this one again because I want to show you how to find these. So when you go to text, we'll just write test in here for now. It's on writing. Let's go ahead and put it on regular. Okay, so now here are the Cricut fonts. There's a ton of them, but the current fonts is always checked. Now, if you try to search Rob and Bob, and all you have to do is search Rob, this is the only one that's going to show up. It says Monkey Business. If you uncheck this, then Rob and Bob has a lot of other fonts that are included with access. But if you scroll down, you'll see the Mermaid one is not included with access yet. And the Monkey Business and the Winchester. So the easiest way to find these is search Rob and you'll find all the Rob and Bobs and you'll see the Mermaid, Monkey Business, and Winchester here. If this current font is checked, you will only see one. All right, now to find these images in Design Space, if you click on Images, it shows you the featured images. We're going to go up here to Category to All Images. We're going to click on this because we want to change this category. We're going to change the category to Image Sets. It will be under highlighted categories. So we have Image Sets and we can search Rob. And we have Rob and Bob Holiday Collection, Rob and Bob Holiday Collection 2, and then some others. Oh, and here we have Rob and Bob Celebrations. If you purchase this image set, now if you click Purchased, it'll bring the ones up that you have purchased. So if these are the first Rob and Bob image sets you have purchased, they will be here. You will not see these image sets unless you purchase the mystery box. If you're watching this 90 days from now, these will be in access. There is a link in the description to purchase this box. I do get a small commission when you purchase this box. Remember, this is a digital mystery box, means it does not ship to you. Don't wait for the FedEx man to give you this box. It is in your account immediately. Once you purchase it, go back to Design Space and look for the images. If you don't see them, go to Design Space and sign out and then sign back in, and you will have your image sets if you purchased it. Let me know in the comments below if you bought it, or if you're going to wait for it to come to Access, or if you have any questions, I'll be happy to answer them for you. Love you guys, and I'll see you a little bit later. Bye, guys.